Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the MOTOROLA Moto G Pure. So we'll start from the widgets. To add some, just hold the finger on the empty place on the home screen and choose widgets. Now select the app, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and hold it and drop it into the desired place of your home screen. If you want to resize it, just use that little edge. But if you want to remove it, hold it again and slide up to the remove. That's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold in the app, drop into another. And if you want to change the name of the app, click here. Sorry, of the folder, click here. And that's it. If you want to remove it, just take out all of the apps from the folder. Now just hold the finger again to open the personalities. As you can see, we have here a few options like a layout, fonts, colors. You can change the layout to change the amount of apps in the one row on one column. You can also change the font of your phone and of your system. The colors, of course, like this one. There you can change the icon shape, like this one. Display size, the font size, and the system theme. I prefer always to use the dark one. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.